In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can create our own custom modules and use them in Python. So the first thing that we'll be doing over here is creating a custom module. For that, you need to create a simple class. As you can see over here, I've just created a class called age, and inside that I have a method called getAge, which is expecting a parameter year. And here I'm making use of the datetime module, and using that datetime module, I'm just fetching the year and I'm subtracting the year that user has passed, and then I'm printing that. That's pretty much it, what we're doing over here. Next, coming on to the modules custom.py, you'll notice I have imported it over here. So you just have to make sure that your name of the file is actually the name of the module. So here you're saying import age, that means the file should have the same name, age. And inside that you'll see this is the name of the file, and then this is the name of the class, and then this is the name of the method which we are calling. Here I've just passed 1983 as year, and when I'm going to run this, you'll notice the output is coming as 36. So that was just a quick demonstration on how you can create a custom module and use it in your program like we have done over here.